Hello students, our today's topic is hormonal regulation in spermatogenesis. The spermatogenesis means it is a process of formation of sperms, and this process is going to take place in male gonad in the sense sex organ, and the male gonad is testis. Inside the testis you can find many seminiferous tubules. Many seminiferous tubules you can find, and in the seminiferous tubule you can find two types of cells. One is germ cell and second is Sertoli cell. Germ cells and Sertoli cells. The function of germ cell is to produce sperms. Sperms are the male gametes, whereas Sertoli cell function is to nourish the germ cells. Nourishment to the germ cells. Between seminiferous tubules you can find another type of cell called Leydig cell. Between the seminiferous tubule you can find a cell called Leydig cell, and the function of Leydig cell is to produce male sex hormone called androgen. This is the basic information. Let us come to the hormonal regulation in sperm production. After puberty in a male child, in a boy, the hypothalamus, the gland present in the brain, is going to produce a hormone called gonadotrophin releasing hormone. Gonad, the word gonad, gonadotrophin releasing hormone. This is the hormone produced by hypothalamus, and this hormone is going to act on anterior pituitary gland and hypothalamus present together in the brain. Anterior pituitary is going to produce two gonadotrophins. Under the influence of gonadotrophin releasing hormone, anterior pituitary gland is going to produce two types of gonadotrophin. The first one is luteinizing hormone, LH. The first gonadotrophin is luteinizing hormone. This luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cell. As I said, Leydig cell present between the seminiferous tubule of testis. So luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cell and helps in the synthesis of male sex hormone called androgen. Once this male sex hormone produced, it is going to help in sperm production by process called spermatogenesis. And the second gonadotrophin is follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. This hormone acts on Sertoli cell. As I said, in the seminiferous tubule you can find two types of cell. One is Sertoli cell. So when this FSH acts on Sertoli cells are going to produce some factors which helps in spermiogenesis. Now main important point is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means metamorphosis of inactive non-motile spermatid into sperms. Active motile sperm, that is called spermiogenesis. This is going to take place under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone. So this is about hormonal regulation in sperm production. Thank you.